Hello everyone, Simon here from CreativeTradingSystem.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get it started. Today is early morning, Saturday morning, 12 a.m. So yeah, the last week started on the 8th, December 8th, and this is the first trade. All the trades were taken by the expert advisor, CTS 7, and by the proper setup. You can see the entry with this yellow mark. Buy order is right there. SL move to break even plus. And this is my setup. And this yellow, small, not yellow, but a small arrow shows that this trade was taken open by the CTS 5 expert advisor that I have it in the corner. Right. So the first one, USD yen for 70 pip to the upside. The second one, pound yen, 75 pip. Same story, same setup. Pound yen, that was from 20-minute chart, and this is from 7-minute chart right there. The entry right here for 70 pip. This is USD yen. This was the first one I showed you, and then the second one from here to here, 65 pip on the 9th. On the 9th, also Euro yen. Yen was getting weaker, so all yen pair went up. Right, 65 pip here. Now this one, pound Aussie, on the 9th, it dropped from here to here. That's 75 pip. From here to this yellow mark, current price, right? That's 75 pip. Euro Aussie, similar, same thing, drop for 95 pip. On the 9th, Aussie yen went up because Aussie was getting strong. So Euro Aussie, pound Aussie has Aussie on the right hand side, so they went down. This one has Aussie on the left hand side, so this went up. And yen was getting weaker as well. So 90 pip from here to here from the 20-minute chart. On the 9th, you can see USD yen from here, 125 pip. Euro yen from 7-minute chart from here to here, 110 pip. On the 9th, CAD yen, 85 pip, same story, same setup. USD yen, you can see here on the 9th. I think this is the same one that I just showed you. I just copied it, I think, twice, something like that. And then Euro yen from 7-minute chart, 90 pip from here all the way going to the upside, right? And this is pound yen. You can see 135 pip from here. I squeeze the chart a little bit so that we can see the whole thing in this on the screen, right? So now this one you can see Aussie yen on the 10th, 65 pip buy orders right there. This is the entry, arrow is right there. And this one is on the 10th, pound Aussie, 75 pip going to the upside, right? Somewhere here, I lost first like 20 pip, and then I got 75 pip. So yeah, SL hit once in a while, no big deal, right? So Euro USD, you can see the beautiful entry, 105 pip. Here also was either this one or this. I think this one. And the entry was there, and then I got knocked out for 25 pip, and after that, the second entry, 105 pip. So 80 pip, right? Positive. So pound USD going to the upside from here, 75 pip. On the 11th, USD yen going down from here. Beautiful by the book entry. Sell orders right there for 85 pip. This one, Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart. This is right there is the entry, 70 pip. And Euro Aussie 20 pip from here to here, 60 pip on the 12th. And this is Euro USD 7-minute chart. This is the entry. My SL survived somehow, and then it went all the way to the upside for 65 pip. This was on the actually on the 12th, but it's I forgot to change the date. So here's the CAD on the 12th, sell order from here to here, 85 pip. So these are like 22, 23 trades this week. So as you know that I am already back almost like 2 weeks now from the hospital with my wife. I went to the hospital for surgery on my wife. So that's done, but I'm still nursing her 24/7, and but still managing to do this. So now see how busy I am on the other side, but still come up with 23 trades. How? Why? Because of this CDS alarm. I mean the EA, the expert advisor robot. But it is alarm as well as the EA robot open the trades automatically and place the SL and TP and all of that. So what I do basically over the weekend, right? The market is closed, so I'm gonna do make my setups. All of those setups will be made, and then I'll see that after the news what happened, and I start placing my EA, and that's it. That's all I had to do. You get the news, right? For example, Aussie news comes out, and right after that, you see the Aussie index is getting strong. Obviously, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie gonna drop, and Aussie yen is gonna go up. That's it. So I place my EA short only on Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, long only, and Aussie yen. And if the setup is there, it will be taken. No problem. It's as simple as that. So yeah, so I had one-on-one 50% discount going on. Plus, I'm adding one more feature in there. It is something beneficial for everyone. What is that? Is that my 10-hour course, right? So after 10 hour, the course is finished. And if somebody don't understand and still needs some help, like 10 hours gone, right? But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to offer the 10-hour course. And after that, one free session every week until needed, right? Until you become profitable or you understand every single thing. Right, so you can set up a session every week, or maybe the weekend or the weekend, so we can go over all the trades that are gone wrong, or you have taken it wrong, or made a mistake, or whatever, and then I will go over with you that where the mistake was made and what you should have done, right? And I'll show you and then give you, my feedback and teach you some more until you become 100% profitable. It doesn't matter if it's two more months or 6 more months or a year. Every single week, you can set up a free session with me. Of course, after taking the one-on-one 10-hour course. All right. So that is something that you have it. If you learn, then you learn properly, and then you will have my support all the way in that after 10-hour course. Okay. One session, one free session every week, so that we can go over whole week the what happened, right? And if you have some losers, then why, and where is the mistake, or some of those losers, they're meant to be honest with you. My SL hit also, right? So that's okay, but there are a lot of them where people make mistake, right, or overtrade or something like that. So I will look into that and then teach you that what need to be done or what not to be done, right? So, so that is a big advantage. To take advantage of it, and I still have some more. I'm start taking one-on-one again. I stopped basically when I was in the hospital. I couldn't do anything, right? So and then I tried to finish the one that I already had. So now I have spots open. So if you want, you can just go ahead on my website here, and I hope right here, right? And you will see right here is one-on-one, and the courses are there, and then everything else, right? So this is it for now, and after this, I will make a video about gold. Gold is behaving exactly according to my plan. This was the chart I made. Let me see if I can show you the chart I made. It's funny that it does exactly what I said it will do. And see, gold 4-hour chart I made. See, this is the chart I made, and when I made the last video over the weekend, last weekend, right? That is gonna come down here, finish maybe a little more to the downside to finish wave 4, and then it's gonna go up for wave 5. Look what happened. Came down, touching this low here, and then boom, it went up straight. Wave 5 is finished, and now it started to drop. So this is the current chart, right? So it started to drop already. It's at the teal, and hopefully after this 1, 2, 3, and then ABC 4, 5, this C is finished. If it is going to be C, then this is gonna happen, right? So this was my take was as A, B, and there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see the 5 waves are finished. So that means if it is going to be C, it is finished. It has to be below this. It's very close to that. And it already started to drop. So let's see if we continue dropping. This is A, B, and C. 1, maybe 2, and 3 is probably somewhere here, right? So if my count is right, that's going to happen. Let's see what happens, right? So I'm going to finalize. I'm going to make a video, the whole video, and then explain all of that and what need to be done, right? And how you can use my system to pinpoint. I didn't trade gold at all last week, right? You'll see that I don't have any trade. But if it starts to go down, I will be all over it. All right. So this is it for now. And thanks for watching and have a very, very wonderful and happy and, good weekend. Right. And please, please, please do take care of your health. Now I realize I spent 20 straight days in the hospital, the longest time spent in the hospital in my life. And really, there's nothing important or precious than your health. So take care of it. Take good care of your health and the health of your family members. All right. So bye for now and talk to you soon in the gold video. Okay. How do I close it? Oh, right here.